ओम तत्पुरुषाय विद्महे वाग विशुद्धाय धीमहि तन्नो शिव प्रचोदयात्. Today's topic will be explanation of Lingashtam in terms of Vedic Jyotish. In this lecture, I am going to express my views on the validity of this remedy as per my understanding in the context of Vedic Jyotish. Apart from me, my son Dr. Shardul Shrestha and my student Aarti Mishra are participating in this lecture. Just a few days ago, while searching the internet, I came to know that in Gujarat, there is a remedy for reciting Lingashtakam during noon to enable jobless people to get a job. So, this time, I am going to check, as I said few seconds before. So, in this lecture, in this video lecture, I am going to check the validity of Lingashtakam as a Vedic remedy, Vedic Jyotish remedy. First of all, let me explain in a brief that what Lingashtakam is. Before going to explain this further, in Vedic literature, in several Puranas, the Surya is called Vyomlinga, means it is a Shivlinga in the Vyom or sky, Vyomlinga. And as you all know that there are 12 Adityas or the 12 suns. I would like to mention those 12 suns or those 12 Aditya, Dwadash Aditya, for your knowledge. The Dwadash Adityas are as follows: Surya, Mitra, Ravi, Bhanu, Khag, Usha, Hiranyagarbha, Marichi, Aditya, Savitri, Arka, and Bhaskara. They are the 12 Adityas. Similarly, there are 12 Jyotirlinga on the earth. And for your knowledge, I am just giving those 12 Jyotirlinga on the earth. So, unfortunately, I am not having the list of those Jyotirlinga, but all of you know that there are 12 Jyotirlinga on the earth. and they are supposed to be the reflex of the 12 Vyomlinga of the sky. So here, the natural importance of the Jyotirlinga and Vyomlinga come into being. So, as you perhaps know, that in Vedas, there is a provision of 3-time worship. So I am giving that Vedic mantra which gives us that pattern of worship. That Vedic mantra is Om Shaddam Pratar Havame Shaddam Madhyam Dinam Pari Shaddam Suryasya Nimruchi Shadde Shadda Payen. The meaning of this mantra is, O Shraddha Devi, we invite you in the Sandhya of the morning. We invite you at the noon of the day, and we invite you about when the sun is setting. And O Shraddha Devi makes us reverent, make us all reverent. This is the meaning of this mantra. So it gives that in the Rig Veda, there is a provision of worship 3 times a day. 3 times a day. If you concentrate on the midday, that is the noon, there is also the provision of worship. That noon is nothing but a 48 minutes period starting from 24 minutes before the midday, and it extends over the 24 minutes after the midday. This is Abhijit Muhurt, and it exactly falls in the noon Sandhya. It exactly falls in the noon Sandhya. That means Abhijit Muhurt can be taken to do Sandhya Vandan to get the best result. What is Abhijit Muhurta? This is Abhijit. Abhijit means the victorious. The victorious. In Western literature, Abhijit is a Muhurt, as well as Abhijit is also the brightest star of the night sky. Brightest star of the night sky, that is also Abhijit. In West, this Abhijit star is known as Vega. But here we are talking about Muhurt. So there is also a shloka in Narad Puran. That shloka is like this. Madhyam din gate bhano muhurto abhijita havya nashyati akhilan doshan pinakit tirpuram yatha. The meaning is that madhyam din gate bhano, when the solar disk is at the meridian, at that time there is Abhijit Muhurt. And when any work performed in this Muhurt, it removes all the defects and evils of that time, like when Pinaki, Lord Shiv defeated the Tripurasurs. It is very important to note. So, what I mean to say, when Lingashtakam is recited in Abhijit Muhurta at noon, it removes the joblessness and all other problems of the native who is doing, who is chanting this Lingashtakam. Clear?
Yes.
So here I explained the root cause of reciting the Lingashtakam in Abhijit Muhurt. It is as according to my understanding of that remedy that is prevailing in Gujarat. That's the remedy that is prevailing in Gujarat. Okay. Now let us come to Lingashtakam and see how it is effective. So, internet search revealed me that its author is unknown. But there are some who say that it is written by Adi Shankaracharya, Jagat Guru Adi Shankaracharya. So I left it to the viewers. Now, let me tell you, let me chant, not chant, but consider it as chanting. Let me chant this Lingashtakam. ब्रह्म मुरारी सुरार्चित लिंगम निर्मल भाषित शोभित लिंगम जन्म दुख विनाशक लिंगम तत्प्रणमामि सदाशिव लिंगम. Brahma means Brahma, the creator. Murari means Vishnu, the enemy of moors. Murari. Surarchit means the one worshipped by the devatas. Nirmal Bhashit Shobit Lingam, that linga which is pure, which appears pure, and it is well decorated. Janma Dukh Vinashak Lingam, it removes all the sorrows of the birth. Tat Pranamami Sadashiv Lingam. I go to that linga of Sadashiv with devotion and reverence. This is the meaning. Clear?
Yes.
Here the word Sadashiv comes. It is not Shivlinga. It is Sadashivling. There is a difference between Shiv and Sadashiv. Shiv is a part of Trimurti, Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. But Sadashiv is the ultimate. It's Parbrahma. It's a Parbrahma Swarup of is known as Sadashiv. So, the Linga covers this universe. But when we talk about Sadashiv Ling, it covers the Anant Koti universes, Anant Koti Brahman. So it is a lingam covering the Anant Koti Brahman. Make it clear. It is Sadashiv Lingam. Dev Muni Pravarchit Lingam, Kam Dahem Karunakam Lingam, Ravan Darp Vinashan Lingam, Tat Pranamami Sadashiv Lingam. Dev Muni, that linga which is worshipped by Devas, Muni, and it removes all the desires and is very, you can say it is very compassionate. Ravana Darpa Vinashan Lingam. It removed the Ahankara of Ravana. Tat Pranamami Sadashiv Lingam. I bow to that lingam of Sadashiv with devotion and reverence. So here the word comes Kamdahem, Karunakam Lingam. A question may arise, how after removing the desires, the lingam can be compassionate. How it reflects the Karuna. So there are two possible meaning of this line. Kamdahem. One is with his third eye, Lord Shiva burned the Kamadeva. That is one meaning. Karuna ka lingam. How Karuna appeared? Lord Shiva made Kamdev alive. This is his total Karuna over the Kamdev and Rati. Same type, when Lord Shiva removes our unwanted desires, he gives, you can say he gives us Karuna, his Karuna, by fulfilling our three ashnas. Three ashnas are those desires which are very compulsory. The first is pranashna, the security of the life. Another is dhanashna, from education to all things which we add in a family, like children, wealth, land, vidya. They all come under dhanashna. And another is the parlokashna. What will happen when we go to the superior lok after finishing our role in this Mrityu lok? This is the meaning of this line. Meeting will end in 10 minutes, so I will try my best to complete this in this lecture. Sarva Sugandhit Sulepik Lingam, Buddhi Vivardhan Karan Lingam, Siddhi Surasur Vandit Lingam, Tat Pramami Sarashiv Lingam. Sarva Sugandhit, all the fragrance, all the sweet fragrance comes out from the linga on account of the paste decorated on this linga. Buddhi Vivardhan Karan Lingam. It enhances the quality of the brain and you can say bit. Bit means buddhi. It, by worshipping it, this Sadashiv, one's materialistic intellect jumps to the spiritual wisdom. This is the meaning. Siddha Surasur Vandit Lingam, Tat Pranamami Sadashiv Lingam. It is worshipped by Siddh, Sur, Devatas and Asur Rakshasas. Siddha Surasur Vandit Tat, I bow to that Sadashiv Ling with devotion and reverence. Kanak Mahamani Bhushit Lingam, Panipati Vestit Shobit Lingam, Daksh Shujag Vinashan Lingam, Tat Pramami Sadashiv Lingam. Kanak means gold. It is decorated with kanak, yani gold, and precious stones, Mahamani. Phanipati Vestit Shobit Lingam. This linga is surrounded by Phanipati. Phanipati means the Vasuki Nag. Pani means Nag, Pati means the Lord of Nagas. That is Vasuki Nag. Phanipati Vestit Shobit Lingam. Daksha Sujak Vinashak Lingam. On account of the, you can say, curse of this linga, the entire Yajna of Daksh was destroyed. Tat Pramami Sadashiv Lingam. I bow to that Sadashiv Lingam with devotion and reverence. Kumkum Chandan Lepit Lingam, Pankaj Har Sujobit Lingam, Sanchit Pap Vinashan Lingam, Tat Pranami Sadashiv Lingam. Kumkum Chandan, Kumkum saffron, Chandan sandal. So this linga is covered by saffron and chandan paste. Pankaj Har Sushobit Lingam. It is also decorated by Pankaj means lotus, the garland of lotus. Sanchit Pap Vinashan Lingam. It removes all the sanchit, the negative sanchit karma. So it is very important. Sanchit karma. And Jyotish is based on those karma, whether it is sanchit, prarabdha, or kriyaman. Well, this is not the, you can say, the motive to teach you in this lecture. Tat Pranami Sadashiv Lingam. I bow to that Sadashiv Lingam with devotion and reverence. Dev Ganarchit Sevit Lingam. Bhaver Bhakti Bhire Chalingam. Dinkar Koti Prabhakar Lingam Tat Pranami Sadashiv Lingam. This linga is worshipped by Dev Gana. They also serve this lingam with devotion. Bhaver Bhakti Bhirecha Lingam. Dinakar Koti Prabhakar Lingam. This ling shines with the shine of the crore suns. Tat Pranami Sadashiv Lingam. I bow to that Sadashiv Lingam with devotion and reverence. Ashtadal Pariveshtit Lingam, Sarv Samudbhav Karan Lingam, Ashtadarit Vinashit Lingam, Tat Pranami Sadashiv Lingam. The linga is decorated with a lotus of, that is Ashtadal lotus, that have 8 petals. Sarva Samudbhav Karan Lingam. This Sadashiv Ling is the root cause of the infinite universes. Ashtadarit Vinashit Lingam. It removed all the Ashtadaritri or 8 types of poverty. Tat Pranami Sadashiv Lingam. I bow to this Sadashiv Ling with devotion and reverence. Sur Guru Survar Pujit Lingam, Survar Push Sadarchit Lingam, Paratparam Paramatmak Lingam, Tat Pranami Sadashiv Lingam. Sur Guru. The linga is worshipped by Surguru Brihaspati. Survar, who is the best among the Devatas, that is Indra or Surya. You can also call Survar Surya. Survan Push Sadarchit Lingam. That linga is worshipped with the flowers of the garden of the Devatas. That in Devlok there are 2 types of, you can say, trees. One tree is Kalpavraksha, another is Parijat Vraksha. And Parijat Vraksha has flowers. So that linga is worshipped with Parijat Pushpa. Param Paramatmakam Lingam, Tat Pranami Sadashiv Lingam. this linga, the glorious linga, it is best of the best. Paratparam, nobody can make it second. Paratparam, सबसे बढ़ के Paramatmakam lingam, it is best of the best, and I go to that Sadashiv lingam with devotion and reverence. It is the eighth verse, you can say, slokas of this Lingashtam. And that Lingashtam idam punyam ye pathet sit sannidho shivloke vapnoti shiven se modite. Lingashtam idam punyam ye pathet sit sannidho shivlokam vapnoti shiven se modite. So, you see how anyone can take Lingashtam as Vedic Jyotish remedy. Does anyone else want to ask something?
No, Gurudev.
Huh.
Actually, my question was,
Hmm.
if the time permits, what are 8 types of the trees?
I have told
In
earlier in
the
this lecture, I have told there are 8 type of Aishwarya. There are 8 type of Aishwarya which, okay. 8 Daritri. 8 Aishwaryas are Ayur, Arogya, Abhividdhi, children and grandchildren, Dhan, Vijaya, Shanti, Kirti. They are 8 Aishwarya. And the lack of these is 8 Daritri. Okay?
Okay.
This is 8 Daritri. Yeah. Aarti?
Hey, Gurudev.
Yes.
I have no question. I have no question.
Okay.
I feel very glad. I feel very happy to
So let us
listen.
let us in the praise of Lord, Paramatma Shiv, let us say Om Name Parvati Pataye Har Har Mahadev. So I am just ending this lecture, this video lecture, and I will be back again with a new topic on Vedic Jyotish. Till then, goodbye. परमात्मा शिव एवं भगवती पार्वती आप सभी को